Assalamualaikum. Today we are diving together with Group 4 into the fascinating group of marine biology to explore a crucial component of our ocean ecosystem, Epibenthos that have been done at Pantai Pandan Lundu, Sarawak. This is the following context that have been done. Epibenthos refers to the diverse group of organisms that live on the surface of the seabed, including rocks, sand, and other substrate. These organisms play a vital role in the marine ecosystem, contributing to the health and stability of the environment in several significant ways. For this epibenthos, we choose rock as our data analysis. This is rock illustration while facing the sea that have 4 zones. First, we have low tide zone, second middle tide zone, high tide zone, and spray zone. While they have no zone that we got at facing the land view. For low zone, we have a lot of barnacles. While middle tide zone, we have less number of barnacle than low tide zone. For high tide zone, there's only 2 barnacles that we found. Lastly, at spray zone, there are no barnacles. On this data analysis, we can see low tide zone have the highest number of barnacles and spray zone have the lowest number of barnacles, that is 0. Due to this data analysis, we can see percentage mostly covered by low tide zone. Why there are different number of barnacles on this rock? Because low tide zone have longer submersion. This zone is submerged in water for longer periods compared to higher and tidal zones, providing barnacles with more time to filter feed on plankton and other nutrients in the water. Also, less environment stress, that is, barnacle in the low tide zone are less exposed to desiccation, that is, drying out, and temperature fluctuation, making it a more stable environment for them to thrive. And reduced competition, also predation. The condition in the low tide zone can support a higher density of barnacles, as they have better access to resource and face less competition from the other intelligent organisms that are less adapted to being submerged for longer period. For middle tide zone, there are limited submersion. Middle tide zone is submerged for shorter period compared to the low tide zone, reducing feeding time for barnacles. Other than that, increasing desiccation. More exposure to air and sunlight increase the risk of drying out. And competition for space and resources in higher due to more frequent exposure to potential predator and other organisms. And higher tide zone, extended exposure, less feeding time and harsh condition. For spray zone, their constant desiccation is rarely submerged, leading to almost constant drying out. And insufficient feeding, barnacles cannot filter feed without being submerged in water. Also, extreme condition, the exposure to harsh environmental conditions such as temperature fluctuation and ultraviolet radiation is too severe.
Ini barnacles dekat low tide zone. Boleh tengok population dia. Okay, letak gambar. Rating ya. Ini mid tide zone.
Zone ni guys. Okay, stop.
Dekat spray zone.
Spray zone guys.
Tak ada. Saya tak tengok gambar green ni pun tak apa.
Okay.
Tapi tangkap je lah.
Ambil lah.
Sekarang kita dekat high zone. High tide zone. Boleh tengok memang population barnacle tak ada. Ini je masih ada bekas-bekas. Mungkin sebelum ni ada barnacle tapi sekarang tak ada dah. Tapi kita ambil je kuadrat. Population is 0.
Sekarang ni.
Okay, sekarang kita kat high tide zone.
Yes, high tide zone.
So boleh tengok population barnacle memang kurang. Ada 2 je sebenarnya kat tepi ni. Boleh tengok zoom sikit kat tepi tu.
Mana?
Ni. So dekat high tide zone sebab air turun naik, barnacle dia pun jadi berkurang. Okay.
Sekejap. Saya ambil gambar dulu. Okay. Tak ada.
Okay. Sekarang kita dekat rock yang facing the land. As you can see, tak ada apa ni? Tak ada barnacle langsung. Sebab facing the land kurang sikit kena air. Kan kita boleh tengok ni sekarang tengah low tide zone. Low tide zone tak ada, clean. Mid tide ada sikit kulit siput je tapi tak ada benda lain. High tide pun clean. Dan atas sekali spray zone. Spray zone tak ada apa-apa kak. Okay.
Zoom lah.
Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of Epibenthos.